Hey, what's up you guys? It's Sarah. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, but thank you for watching. Today I just kind of wanted to get on here and talk to you about new things that's been going on in my life, why I have been so absent, and I want to do a little review on these bad boys right here. This is the Jaclyn Hill Vault. I have not used this on myself yet, but I have used it on a friend, and I used so the Bling Boss one looks like this. I've used these three colors on her. The colors are Hush Hush, Sparks, and Glitz and Glam. This one is a super pretty color. I can go ahead and swatch these ones for you guys just so you can see how they swatch. And that is how they swatch right there. Super pigmented. I just kind of wanted to do this today just to catch up with you guys. I really want to try to start making a set schedule for myself to start uploading videos at least once or twice a week. I am super busy. I have a full-time job. So I don't know how it's going to go, but I really want to try to start making videos again. And I am currently kind of doing makeup for clients and friends right now. I started my own makeup account on Instagram, so if you want to go follow that, you can. I'll leave a description in the below. So yeah, let's just get started. So I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for. I kind of want to use more than one of the palettes just to get a feel. I really haven't done any crazy eyeshadows lately, so maybe I can do something that's a little cute this time. It's honestly kind of sad because I used to be like super obsessed with makeup, and don't get me wrong, I still am. Like, I am obsessed. I love doing other people's makeup. Hell, I've been doing it on the weekends when I'm not at work. I've been like trying to get anybody and everybody to like help a sister out, to be honest. I'm just like, let me do your face, please. So the first one I'm gonna go in with is this palette right here. This one is called Armed excuse me, Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm gonna go in with the color Access. It is this nice yellowy mustardy color. I was trying to kind of step out of my comfort zone, but with these palettes, like, they're all pretty much colors that I wear all the time. Like, I really like the warm tones, the browns, the yellows, the nice like dark burnt purplies. So can't really go out of my comfort zone too much with these, maybe with the blues and stuff. But I'm going to take a more fluffy brush. I'm going to take a Morphe M505, and I'm just going to take the color Access right here into my crease. Why I mainly wanted to make this video, which I'm pretty sure half of the freaking beauty gurus have already put up their reviews, but I just wanted to see how it worked for myself. And sometimes, you know, all that beauty drama that's been going on in the beauty community, I don't really know how many people's reviews I can really trust anymore, which kind of makes me sad, because like some of those people I really look up to and like really love their reviews and love their videos, but that shit's crazy, y'all. It is crazy what's going on out there. This color seems to be blending very nicely. It's very pigmented, which I'm super excited about. I mean, I don't really think Morphe ever really disappoints, but I heard about like the bad batches, the good batches. Don't really know what was going on with that a whole lot, to be honest. There was a whole bunch of stuff going on with Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and there was like bad batches of the Vault, but this seems very nice. I like it. It's blending very nicely. So now that I am done with that, I am going to take, I believe, this color. It's called Alert, and this is in the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to take this color and just kind of put it in my crease a little bit, just to deepen it up, where I put the yellow shade. I'm just going to kind of tuck it right where my crease starts, kind of tug it in there and push it in there, and then I'm going to start blending out, because I want to make sure that you can still see the yellow and it's still defined. And I want this to kind of be a defined line, just a little, diffuse it a little bit. But I think this is a very good technique to make sure that your crease is very defined. Just make sure that you kind of push it in the crease a little bit, just to help define the crease. So, as you guys know, I have been really absent from YouTube. It's been about 6 months since I did my last video. That's really bad. I believe I'm the worst YouTuber or wannabe YouTuber ever. But, you know, it's okay. We're gonna come back. We're gonna try new things. We're gonna try to be more on this. Alrighty, the next thing I am going to do is take my favorite concealer, this nice heart-shaped tape. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand, like so. I'm going to take a little concealer brush. It's rounded at the top like this. It's not a Morphe one, so I don't have a name for it. It's just something that I got. And I'm going to cut my crease just a tad. I want to still be able to see the dark, so I'm not going to go all the way up with it into the crease, but here we go. Now that the crease is cut the way that I want it, I'm going to take another little flat brush that was just like the concealer brush. This is actually out of the Anastasia palette. I really like using this side of it, the flat side, to do pressed or to set glitter or a matte shade right over where I've done a cut crease. So I'm going to take out of this palette this nude one right here. This is the Dark Magic palette, and I'm going to set where I just put that concealer. Now, just because I really like doing this, and I think it brings out really brings out people's eyes, and it really brings out your cut crease as well. I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten Karma, and I am going to define my cut crease a little bit more and go ahead and stick this into the crease, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So this is one of my favorite things to do when I have a cut crease. I take this little Real Technique brush. It is super tiny. Put a little bit of that glitter glow on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dip this into the glitter and glow ever so slightly, not too much. You don't want it to be all clumpy because you want to be able to have a precise line. This is really turning out the way that I wanted it to, which I'm very happy about. Let me just finish up this line. And this is what it should look like now. I really love doing this with the Stila Glitter and Glow. I really just think it makes your eyes pop a lot more. Now I'm going to go ahead and do what I did to this eye on the other side, and I'll be right back. Now that I am done with the glitter and the cut crease on both sides, I want to take a nice bright color for highlight. I'm not sure which one I want to use. I honestly think I'm just going to use this one right here. It's called VIP, and this one is in the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm going to take a little brush like so, and I am going to put that on my inner crease and right above or right below my eyebrow, on my brow bone. I want to spray this a little bit just because I want it to be very pigmented. I'm going to take this Milani spray, give it a little spritz. Oh yes, that did wonders. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is how I like my inner corner creases. That's stunning. This would be very nice as a highlight as well. I'm not one to be very big on light highlights like this, but this shade is beautiful. It's looking amazing. Alrighty, and now for the bottom lash line. For the bottom lash, I want to go a little bit different with it, and I am going to find a little bit of a flatter brush like this one right here, and I want to take this blue color. It's called Busted, and this is in the Dark Magic palette, where I used the one that I put all over my lid. And I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line very lightly. Oh my god, this shade is so pigmented. Holy cow. I'm like barely touching. I'm so impressed with this shadow. Alrighty guys, I am going to do my eyeliner, and I am going to put on some lashes really quick and clean this up, and I will be right back with the final look. Alright you guys, I applied my favorite lashes in Diva by Pure, and now I'm going to take the Amregie highlight by Anastasia and just finish up this look with a little bling bling. Yes ma'am. I like putting a little bit on my temples as well. Take a little bit of the setting spray. And I really highly recommend that when you use setting spray to go ahead and fan it in. It just gives you a more airbrush finish and makes your face not look as cakey. So I'm just gonna fan it in. I really love the way this look turned out. This is the final look. I love the blue. I'm not really into using colors and stuff, but the blue looks really nice with the yellow and the brown, and it gives it also like a pop of color. So I am very, very impressed with this vault. I think the only one that I did not use today was, maybe I used all of them. No, the only one that I did not use today was Ring the Alarm. That one looks like this, but I can tell you I will be using the crap out of this one because I love those kind of shades. They're my favorite. But we used the Armed and Gorgeous Bling Gloss and Dark Magic. We used all three of these today, and overall I am very, very impressed with the vault. I really didn't expect anything different from Morphe. I could say really the only bad thing that I saw about it was the fact that the brown was having a very hard time showing up on top of the yellow. It was like getting really patchy and weird on top of the yellow. But other than that, I am very impressed. I really, really love it. I hope you guys love it too. If any of you guys decide to try out doing this look, I would really, really love it if you can send me a picture on my Instagram or my Twitter, whatever works for you. The links are going to be in my description box. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really hoping to start uploading maybe every Monday and Friday, Wednesday and Friday, something like that. But I'm really hoping to get on a schedule. When I have that figured out, I will definitely let you guys know. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I really love you, and all the support that I've been getting lately really, really does mean a lot to me. So everybody have a great week, and I hope to see you again soon.